Understanding actual fact in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, actual fact. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for mastering the English language, and I'm excited to guide you through it. Let's dive in. Actual fact is a phrase that emphasizes the truth or reality of a statement. It's often used to clarify or stress that what is being said is not an opinion or assumption, but a verified or undeniable truth. For example, if someone says, in actual fact, the Earth orbits the Sun, they are emphasizing that this is a scientific truth, not just a belief. We use actual fact in various contexts. For instance, to correct a misconception, many believe that bats are blind, but in actual fact, they can see. To emphasize a surprising truth, it's widely thought that deserts are always hot, but in actual fact, some deserts can be very cold at night. In argument or debate, you might think that this policy will help, but in actual fact, it could cause more problems. While actual fact is a useful phrase, it's important not to overuse it or use it incorrectly. Avoid using actual fact when the statement is an opinion. E.g., in actual fact, chocolate tastes better than vanilla. This is subjective and not a factual statement. The fact is already clear and accepted. E.g., in actual fact, water is wet. This is redundant as the fact is obvious. To vary your language, you can use synonyms like indeed, the Earth orbits the Sun. In truth, some deserts can be very cold at night. In reality, this policy could cause more problems. I hope this video has been enlightening in understanding the phrase, actual fact. Remember, it's a great tool to emphasize truth or reality in your conversations or writings. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.